Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make this super awesome DIY letterboard using foam board. You guys know I love my foam board, and I also love the challenge of trying to see what I can make with it. As you guys can see, it's hanging on my nice foam board wall. If you haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and link it above so you guys can check it out. If this is your first time here, welcome, and thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Alright, let's get on to the DIY. I'm going to be using 4 of these stakes from Michaels. Each one of them is $1.89, but I got one 50% off, and then I got 20% off my total purchase. I will also be using 2 foam board pieces. And then I purchased a bunch of really cool letterboard stuff. So these are some letterboard icons that are like wine and coffee related. And then I also just bought a huge pack of letters and sayings. These are from Amazon, so I will go ahead and link these below. I'm just gonna leave them like this. I could go outside and cut them with my saw, but I really don't want to do that. And these are a little over 23.5 inches and then 1.2 inches across. One's gonna go like this, and then on this end we'll put the pointy part right there. I have these little nails and then also these little pieces of wood. Double them up like this to make sure that the nail goes through them and then not all the way through the stake. And honestly, I was gonna use glue, but it was taking too long to dry and it wasn't working out for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go with plan B. You can put these on the back to hang it, or you could just lean it against the wall. Alright, so taking my foam board, I'm just going to measure out a piece that's going to be big enough to go in here. And there's about this much that doesn't fit, so I have to cut an extra piece to go right along this end right here. And doubled up my foam board. And this is gonna fit snugly right in here. So taking this piece, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right along here and then double it up as well. You see that there's still one little piece left, so I'm going to cut that piece also. But right along here, I'm going to go ahead and glue it.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down.
It looks like it's about 22 inches. And I'm going to cut the lines like this. So this is going to be standing up. I'm going to make a mark around every ½ inch. And then I'm going to make my lines and cut.
Bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
That's why I doubled it up, so I could cut through the first one and then the second one would be there as like the base.
Sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love.
I flipped the frame so that the
front piece would be flat onto my table, and that way when I glue my foam board piece down, it's gonna be nice and level. I still had a little bit of an issue, not an issue, but it was sort of hard getting it in there because the glue is hot and it's all around the edges, so I was trying not to burn myself. So when I finally got in there, there were some gaps, so what I did was take my hot glue and just fill in the gaps. And I didn't show it on this end, I totally forgot, but I did take some twine and then I glued them around those edges also on the front to cover the gaps. And then I just filled it with hot glue on the back also just to hold it nice and tight.
So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive. Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn, and when we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt.
Alright guys, so that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Let me know your questions or concerns. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.